Alright. This is June 17th, 2024 live stream. First day of the week on a Monday. If you guys were to go to my weekly outlook, you guys can see what my stance is for this week. We did on NQ, we did take out previous week's high overnight as I anticipating, and now we're seeing some sort of retracement back into the range. Not really no displacement back. For sure there is retracing back inside this range, this weekly range here. I'm gonna wait until this 4-hour candle closes to see where we're at, but it looks like on the 1 hour we might create a fair value gap right here. Those maybe. Opening bell has not rung yet, so with its volatility we will see if we retrace back in here or continue lower. Retrace back into filling up this little the space, or we go lower and attack London lows. But yeah, that is my breakdown as if right now on ES we are still above we never closed above this 4-hour fair value gap, so it cannot be considered an inversion fair value gap. And I want to see where we close at 10 o'clock, if we close below this fair value gap again, or where we're at. But just looking at based off right now, we don't have any clear displacement away from the range or back inside the range. We just might retrace back to equilibrium of the previous day low. So let me just mark that out. Just retrace back into this previous day low here, or not retrace back into the previous day low, but retrace back into the previous day low's range between this low and this high, and retrace back inside the 50% of it, and we'll see how we react there. I could happen as well. From this S&T low to this high. We could retrace back into the 50% of that range, but based on this, just looking at based on this 4-hour candle here, I can see us go lower once it closes, but we'll see it at opening now. On the dollar, we're still consolidating. We have 30 minutes till this 4-hour candle closes, and if it closes like this, very consolidated. Alright, we'll see where we how we react off of this 4-hour FEG, but keep in mind this is just the first day of the trading week, so nothing much to anticipate from here on out. Opening bells by the ring soon. Hold on 1 second. Oh, here's the opening bell here. And see where we're going. So quite sleepy actually. So we are trading higher at the opening bell. On NQ at least, but YMES looks like we're doing completely different thing here. See, so prices, like I said, prices could be quite volatile during the opening bell. Like this candle used to be a big green candle, and now it has a really large wick. First 30 minutes, you most likely don't want to trade that first 30. You want to just let prices, marinate. Let prices do its thing, and on the 4 hour, let's see where we close here, how we close. Like I've stated before, like we might take out London lows here. There's that new week opening gap. Let's see the RTH gap. Filled it in. So we do take out London lows. We retrace back into the 30-minute FEG here. And we're having a reaction off it. Let's see if we can continue this downside movement. Not just wick London lows. So YM is shot. While NQ is going lower. ES is now going higher. ISIS not in sync. Let's see if we just wick these London lows here. I'm going to mark out 930 open up. Just for 930. If we were to be buyers at this current 15-minute, I do want to be buying below 930 open, but just keep that in mind. I got myself a little peanut butter sandwich or bagel. So looks like we are wicking London lows. What I mean by that is we're sweeping London lows. It could be a liquidity sweep, but you would want to go to the lower time frames to see if there's this displacement away from it. Just a lot of wicks here. Like I said, I would rather wait for the 10 o'clock closure, or the 10 o'clock open, sorry. So let's just let the first 30 minutes play by. Look at YM, it just shot right back lower. These markets are not favorable. Now YM is going back up higher. Choppy. This is a mess. You don't want to trade this first 30 minutes. And it's even worse that it's on a Monday too. So it's the very first day, very first like 30 minutes of their very first week or third week. The candle. Sit in your hands here, boys. Ten more seconds left for a 15-minute candle to be created. On ES, it looks like we will probably take out the previous 15-minute candle's high. And on NQ, it looks a little bit different than that. Yo, whose dogs are those outside? those are some massive pit bulls. Yo, what the heck? Yo, hold on guys. Oh, I just saw some two massive. All right. I had to take care of the two peoples outside. When I was away, it looked like we just displaced back lower again. Yo, YM's going higher, NQ's going lower. NES as well. This is this crazy. This is not something that you want to trade here. Just wait for the 5-minute candle. Just wait for the 10-minute candle to closure for it to close, and see. I do want to see a more bullish closure on this 15-minute though. Seven more minutes left, or 8 more minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Wait and see what we do from here. Now that we got closure below the running lows, I can't anticipate for lower prices to at least reach this 50% market in this new day opening gap here. It's overlapping. Actually target New York PM session lows this way. New York PM session lows here for Friday. But it all depends on how we close on this 15-minute candle. The bullish closure. We no longer have a 5-minute FEG. We still have 5 more minutes left. That should be just be patient. See how we trade here. No need to rush into a trade. No need to rush into a trade. We still got lots of time, you know. we're consolidating in on NQ right now as of right now. NQ sorry I am. Two more minutes left to the push it. Looks like we are on the 15-minute as well. On the 15-minute, looks like we're wicking as well. Looking at wicking. We're looking like we're going to wick lemon lows again. And just looking based off of this 15-minute candle, it looks like we could be, we're going to take out this 15-minute candle's high here. And on the hourly, we don't have much displacement yet, but on the 3-minute, we'll see. First trade would look something like this here. So here's a 10 o'clock. So we took out previous 15-minute candle high. I'm not going to consider taking that trade, but see where we react. Will we take out this swing high here? This previous hourly swing high. Will we create a 5-minute fair value gap? We'll see. It's 10 o'clock open. There it is. So as of right now, I'm gonna trade the 1 hour power of 3, not the 4 hour. But if we can create a 5-minute fair value gap here, I would consider taking it. That's if we can create one. So it all depends if we create a 5-minute fair value gap or not. Looks like we can create that. That's a matter of time if we retrace back into it. take out this week high, then I'm not gonna consider taking a trade here. This high right here. If you take out the high, then I'm gonna take a trade. Pre-market highs. I can't see prices retracing back into this 5-minute if I get anyone. And once we take out this hourly high, I'm not going to consider taking a trade. We took out the hourly high. So here will we take out previous pre-market highs here. I'll follow through to this music. I'll play some EDM. Break the copyright. Oh shoot. I'll take 3 off. If we take out this 15-minute high, then I'm not gonna say. But looking based on the 5-minute time frame, it looks like we won't retrace back just from this. It's just, you know, I'll give it a shot. Just from looking at the 5-minute, it looks like we won't retrace back. But if it does, then I'll give it a shot. But if it doesn't, then, which I just from looking at this looks like it's gonna be a breakaway gap. So 9:30 could be the entry that I might have to target pre-market highs. But we'll see. So if we take out this, if we take out 4-hour highs here, I'm probably gonna just take get off the screens and probably wait till the PM session. Right now, this looks like I don't want to be part of any of this. Being real. If then. I said, if this hourly high gets taken, then I'm not going to take that trade. If that 15-minute high gets taken, then I'm not going to take that trade. If then statements, a lot of that. But yeah, if this pre-market high gets left behind and we create a 15-minute fair value gap, I'm going to enter off the 15-minute fair value gap, targeting those highs, which also happens to be the pre-market highs and 4-hour highs, and stops right here. So 101. I'm sure you stop risk. To a 1.3. 12 minutes left. Now 11. For me, I ain't getting over anyone that I know. He's truly. And once this high stops to break even. Let's see what poppin'. I'm gonna wait till this 30-minute close. Patience. Patience. That I don't get. So we just retrace back into that 5-minute. And notice, I didn't take it. It's not the time that I want to be taking it. I'm gonna wait till the 30-minute closure. See what we do from there. I want to see how we close in the 30-minute. We're buying below the. I want to buy below the 9:30 open, but we'll see where we close out in 9:30. See, so that waiting for the 30-minute closure here helped a lot. Helped me reduce, helped me have better selections on my trades here. And just look at what this 30 minutes now looking like. Let's wait till we have 4 minutes on it. We have displacement. Yeah, if I were to take that trade just now, I would probably be in drawdown right now. But because I waited till 9:30 closure to see what that 9:30 look like, that 30-minute candle would look like, it saved me a lot of, you know, heartache, you know. This is good. We're displacing a lot lower. So keep in mind that this is a very solid market. Oh yeah. Bye bye. If his 30-minute low is intact, I will take this trade off the one after 3 minutes. Something like that. Patience is a virtue. A wig. I don't like how there is this massive wig though. That massive wig does me no good. The thing is, it does me no good that I'm buying it. I would prefer to buy above, so decisions. Nah, take it. Yeah, bye bye. Gonna wait out on anything to happen here. I'm gonna wait till the 11 EST open, see where we are at. Yeah, we're just consolidating. This green camera just like, look at this wick on the 5 minute. I want it to be like clear. That wick just no. I care less if it goes back down low or not, but. Very choppy conditions here. Super duper choppy conditions. It's not look fun. I know. Yeah, this very consolidated. Monday morning, not much to anticipate. The only move I probably would have taken here was to target that 1 hour high. No, it didn't allow me a setup that I am willing to risk. And the second one was this 15-minute high. To target this 15-minute high, didn't allow it for it in this 30-minute closure. I didn't like how the 30-minute closure was shot back up and right here. Not my ideal entry. No, I need to take it. Oh. Yeah, that's. Me in the morning, yeah. We'll wait till the next cycle, the next 15 minutes. See how that would give me something. I intend to live a stoic life. Look at me now, I'm free, so look at me now. Free, so look at me now. I'm free, so look at me now. We got like 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I'm free, so look at me now. We're gonna retrace now. Let's look at the 10. Perfect. I am perfect. This is my finest hour. What? Yeah, I'll try it. done a 5-10 minute. This is where I find this out. I want to take this on because it's not usually the trick I take, because I don't take trades off at 10 minutes. So I'll usually 15, 30, hour, 4 hour, 10 minute. Give up on me. This isn't even a trick I would take in the first place. 10 minute, it's usually on 15, 30. I'm not comfortable with the 10. That was not. I had no process. I didn't even process what I was just doing there just now. If you don't get anything here, yeah, I'm gonna at 10 I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna go back and then just start back testing. 15 minutes left on this hourly close here. How could I go home? But baby, I don't wanna go. So there must be displacement for me to even take a trade. Do you guys want to go through my trades from last week? I just do it anyways, it doesn't matter. Nothing else. So right now, so review trades thoroughly. So first one is I took on a 612 during the morning. Trade checklist. During the morning, prices shot higher with the release of CPI. I was not given entry. I was not given entry, so I waited till the afternoon session. I remember afternoon session we did have FOMC at 2 p.m. After creating a 4-hour fair value gap, we retraced and from there we had SMTs at those. We consolidated for the first hour once we got displacement. Once we got displacement away from the front. Entry. That was when I took my entry. So we have a higher time frame. So did we displace from a key level? We did. We displaced away from the 1 hour, 4 hour fair value gap, and look at how this 1 hour closed after tapping into it. And we had, that's the 1 hour PO3. I'm expecting the next hourly candle to be able to take out this previous 4 hour high. Do we have displacement? Yes, we did. We have displacement on the 5 minute time frame. We had a displacement away. We had displacement on the 5 minute time frame within the 1 hour wick. So we retrace back into that wick. We retrace back into the wick. I'm sorry, the 5 minute 5 minute FEG below 3 p.m. power of 3 and 2 p.m. power of 3. So that's retraced into a 4 hour. This one I would give this one an A plus actually. And we didn't take out the objective yet. And what is the objective for this trade? So it's previous 4 hour high. New York AM session highs as well, which it's aligned with it. Thursday trade is PPI. So during the lunch session, prices retraces back into a 1 hour / 4 hour FEG. We had a bullish closure on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, notice the respect to the 1 hour FEG's consequent encroachment, displacement from a key level. Note how that 1 hour closes after retracing into a 1 hour / 4 hour FEG. So yep, look at how that 4 hour candle closes. That 1 hour candle closes. Sorry, it's previous 4 hour candle high. Within that 4 hour candle's wick, at the 2 p.m. open. So I'm waiting till the 2 p.m. to open. We wick down into the 15-minute fair value gap again. So it dips actually 2 times into the 15-minute FEG. We dip once, and this is after the 1:30. So I don't take any trades the last 30 minutes of any 4 hour candle. But after 2 p.m. I'm free, so I go back down. We trade back down at 2. Versus trades, retraces back into a 15-minute FEG during. I'm buying that 15. So this one is, so we did have power of 3 on the 4 hour. What is the objective? Previous 4 hour high, just because just looking at based off of how that 4 hour closed. Supporting period is, yes, we do have a 15-minute cheap. The time of the trade is 2:05, something like around there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2:04 is when we take that trade. Are we disrespecting any? We closed above that inversion fair value gap. And we displaced from key level. Okay, so that's how we break down that one. Let's give this one an A+ as well. I have to keep in mind that was on ES though. One minute left in this hourly clip. I feel a little bit. When I'm with you, and for you. I know. I feel a little bit higher. For you, not taking this one, so we do take up. Bum, 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 bum. So that one didn't give me an entry as well. Let's just go back to testing. So I just back tested Wednesday and Thursday. This is Friday. So during the pre-market, prices dips towards the daily FEG. However, NQ did not trade back into its daily FEG, but yes, there was S&P at the lows. So I mean that's the higher time frame FEG. So coming to the open at 9:30, I wanted to see how prices would react at the 1 hour SIBI. So the SIBI, I mean, is this one. So prices this has S&P. If we were to go lower, it would have been off of that 1 hour SIBI, and we did not continue lower from it. So alright, so after respect it, we closed above this hourly SIBI. Now it should act. Those two conferences on the high time frame gave me the narrative that we were gonna go higher, that we wanted to see higher prices. On the 15-minute, I wanted to see. So my objective for that trade, on the 15-minute time frame, we had displacement. We had 15-minute indicating displacement. I would not go into the at 12 p.m. we created a 5-minute FEG displacing away from the 15-minute. This is my second trade. This is take out London highs. So yeah, so after I knew London highs became an objective. So because for higher prices, London highs became an objective for me. At 12 p.m. we created a 5-minute displacing away from the inversion, 1 hour inversion in the 15-minute FEG. Notice how we never got a closure below this 15-minute FEG. Get back into the 5-minute FEG, and we left New York AM session highs and London highs intact. Yeah, so do we have supporting PD arrays on the lower time frames here? We do on the 5 minute time frame after displacing away from the 15-minute. Do we displace away from the kilo? But yes, we did. This objective for this is to take up London and New York AM session highs, and we reversed that at 2 p.m. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the live stream for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 8:20.